Sir Topham Hatt arrived at Tidmouth Sheds. The other engines were very proud of Thomas. The town of Great Waterton is to be restored in time for Sodor Day, he boomed. The restoration will be a lot of work. Percy was puzzled. What's restoration? He wished quietly. Restoration, groaned Gordon loudly. That is when you make something very old look new again. There are many jobs to be done, Sir Topham Hatt added. All the engines were pleased. Sir Topham Hatt gave each of the engines important jobs. They whistled and tooted in excitement. Now, I will telephone Miss Jenny. We need the help of the Sodor Construction Company.